Using a crane is definitely a huge process that requires a lot of skill and knowledge. It can be extremely dangerous if completed without the proper know-how. The crane hoists the climber into the tree where he rigs pieces to be cut, and the crane lifts them and places them by the base of the truck where they can then be chipped and dealt with accordingly. This allows us to take extremely large pieces of wood which can sometimes be saved then for urban timber harvesting, which without a crane would not be possible because the wood would have to be cut into small sections. Another reason that we bring in a crane is to work around certain obstacles such as power lines and other structures. A lot of times it makes sense to bring in 50 or 70 ton crane that can pick up a 5 to 7 or 8,000 pound log and easily move it, as opposed to spending all day working out a piece of wood. We can speed up the process tremendously in removing either one large tree or several trees all at once. Give us a call at 778-8733 and visit our website at www.ASHEVILLEARBORISTS.com.